In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends for language-specific research fast and easy. Whether you're a marketer, content creator, or just curious about trends in various languages, this guide will help you navigate Google Trends effectively. To start off, open your browser and search for Google Trends. Once you hit Enter, look for the first link in the search results and click on it. This will take you to the Google Trends homepage, a powerful tool for discovering how popular certain search queries are over time. Here, you'll want to click on the Explore button. This section allows you to dive deep into specific keywords and their performance across different regions and languages. Now that you're on the Explore page, type a keyword into the search bar that you're interested in. Make sure to type it in the target language of your choice. For example, if you're interested in digital marketing trends in Spanish, you might enter marketing digital. Similarly, if you're looking into French cuisine recipes, you could type recettes de cuisine. Once your keyword is entered, press Enter to reveal the trend graph. After seeing the graph, it's important to set location and language filters. In the top menu, you'll find options to specify the country or region you want to examine. Opt for the target location to tailor the results to your needs. Additionally, Google Trends offers a distinction between search terms and topics. Choose the best fit for your analysis to ensure accuracy. Next, decide on a suitable time range for your analysis. You'll see options such as the past 12 months for recent trends or the past 5 years for a broader historical perspective. Adjusting the time frame can be particularly useful to identify whether the interest in your chosen keyword is new or has remained consistent over time. Take a moment to analyze the trend graph in front of you. This visualization will help you pinpoint when interest in your keyword peaked or dipped. Look for any noticeable patterns, and even consider how seasonal factors might play a role in the fluctuating interest. Continue by scrolling down to review related topics and queries. This section is gold for uncovering additional popular search terms in the same language. These insights can be quite beneficial for brainstorming new content ideas, planning SEO strategies, or designing effective marketing campaigns. Now, let's say you have multiple keywords you'd like to compare. Simply click the plus compare button to add those. Comparing several keywords can help you determine which ones are currently gaining traction among your intended audience. Finally, scroll down further to fully appreciate the results of your customized settings and comparisons. You'll find a wealth of data that can significantly enhance your understanding of language-specific trends, providing valuable insights that you can leverage in your projects. We hope this guide has empowered you to make the most of Google Trends in your language-specific research. Thanks for watching, and make sure to leave any questions or comments below.